What's up everybody? My name is Tara and here on my channel I teach you guys how to make homemade skincare products. Since I do show you guys how to make homemade skincare products, I realized along the way a lot of you guys sell your own skincare products as well, which is why I started this series where I have you guys send me your products and then I review them for you guys. So let's just get into today's review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Andrea Nicole's brand, and it's over on Etsy and it's called Organic Hippie Skincare. She also recently launched a website, and hold on, let me make sure I get the website name right. Okay, so it's called Organic Hippie Skincare, just like her Etsy shop. So I will have the link to her Etsy shop down in the description box and a link to her website so you guys can check out both of those. So she sells like a variety of different products. Let me pull up her shop to make sure I mention everything. I know, okay, right off the bat, I know she sells body oils, body scrubs, and lip balms because that's what she sent me. She has a whipped shea butter body butter. She sells candles too, and you know, we all love a good candle. She's got a coffee scrub, a cheek and lip tint, ooh, a deodorant, face mask, toners. She has all kinds of different stuff, and she sells a lot of like gift sets too. So if you have a friend who's like really into natural skincare, get yourself a gift set for them. She has facial oils, a body conditioner bar. Ooh, those are awesome. I've tried those before. So she's just got all kinds of different products, and her pictures on her Etsy shop look so freaking cute too. I love how professional her Etsy shop looks, but this is not reviewing her Etsy shop. This is reviewing her products. So now it's time for the unboxing, and this is the package that the items arrived in, and it's such a cute box. And this was, you know, like taped closed like this, but I already ripped it open because I was so excited to see what she sent me. So this is how everything looks when you receive it, and she included this little card with her name and website on it and just wrote a little handwritten note on the back, which I loved. And then here are the three products. First we have the Sea Sprite Lip Balm, the Botanical Body Oil, and the Orange Coconut Cream Body Scrub. So like I mentioned, she sent me three products. First, she sent me a Botanical Body Oil, and this one is specifically the lavender, peppermint, and rosemary scent. And if you guys can tell, I'm obsessed with this. This is a bath, body, and hair massage oil. How I really like to use body oils, I don't know if this is how other people use them. I don't know if you've ever tried a body oil, but when you use it like a moisturizer, like you're using a lotion, sometimes you can find it to be too oily, too greasy. You'll put it on after you get out of the shower, and then you sit on your couch and you're like, oh my god, I feel like I can't touch anything. I'm so greasy. Okay. That's not how I like to use it. How I like to use it is when I'm still in the shower, right after I wash my body, I will just pour some of this body oil in my hand and then like massage it in all over my body. That's all. That's all I do. I apply it while I'm still in the shower and while my body's still like wet. And then I get out of the shower and I pat my skin dry with a towel and everything, and you still feel the oil, but it's not super heavy. That's how I like to use my body oils. But I will say that this scent is so lovely. Oh, it smells so freaking good. You can definitely smell the lavender shining through. And you can smell like the hint of peppermint and the hint of rosemary. I think the lavender is the like primary scent, but like the peppermint and the rosemary just combine with it so freaking well. And yeah. That's enough about the body oil. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with it. I love body oils, but this one specifically had a really beautiful scent. And of course the packaging is super cute. I love how colorful her labels are. Super cute. And her labels are waterproof as well. Great packaging. You're doing a great job, Andrea. Okay, so moving on to my next product. This is the Sea Sprite Moisturizing Lip Balm. So first off, this packaging is so freaking cute. Okay, I love the like little lip that's on it, and it like matches the color of the label behind Sea Sprite, that like, I don't know, what color is this? Like a seafoam green? That's what I'm gonna call it. And I love the like eco-friendly packaging. It's so freaking cute. Like, I'm just obsessed with this. I've never had a lip balm packaged like this before, but I really like it. And the scent is, oh my god, it's so amazing. It's Sea Sprite. Let me see if I can figure out what like exact scent Sea Sprite is. Lavender, coconut, and a hint of vanilla. That's why. I love coconut and vanilla. And of course I like lavender too. And I definitely smell the lavender in it now that I know it's in there, and the vanilla and coconut just mix so well with it. And then the lip balm has beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, natural flavor, and vitamin E. And this is a 0.3 ounce lip balm. But yeah, I really like this, and I'm kind of picky with lip balms, to be honest. And this one I actually really like. It's nice and like smooth, like it's not like hard as a rock. It really glides on your lips really easily, but it doesn't melt easily, so we love that. So moving on to the last product she sent me. This is the Orange Coconut Cream Body Scrub. I just want to open this up real quick and smell it because it smells freaking amazing. Oh my gosh, yeah. Everything she has sent me, all these fragrances are so on point. So if you're looking for a brand with really good smells, this is it. But I will let you guys know that what I noticed about this body scrub is it's not like super exfoliating. So if you're looking for a body scrub that's more mild and gentle, this is perfect for you. But if you're wanting something that's more of like a harsh exfoliation and you have like really dry skin that really needs some work, this isn't for you. So it's not really good for like the feet and those rough areas, but it's really good for those more like gentle areas, like maybe your armpits or stuff. I don't know, I exfoliate my armpits. I don't know if anyone else does. And I like to use it on days where I shave and stuff because it's just a really mild exfoliation, so you're not irritating your skin too much. What I have found about this body scrub is I feel like it's more moisturizing than it is exfoliating. So I feel like it's more of like an in-shower like body butter, and I think that's why I haven't been using it too much compared to the body oil, because my skin gets super hydrated using this. But now that this is almost gone, I'm going to be using this as my in-shower like moisturizer. So you could literally almost take all this stuff and just like rub it all over your body, and then bam, you don't have to put on lotion afterwards, and you get like a gentle, mild exfoliation. So that's what I really love about this stuff, that it's not really harsh, but it's very hydrating. And I noticed the scent of the shea butter, it like really shines through in the fragrance. So you're getting that orange and coconut cream scent, but you're getting that like hint of shea butter. So I think that's where most of the moisturization is coming from. It has, yeah, shea butter is the second ingredient on this list, so there's a ton of shea butter in this. So those are all the products she sent me. I really love them. The fragrances are freaking awesome. As you can tell, I am just using them all up. And I really like her packaging. It's very colorful. Honestly, since her fragrances are so freaking good, I bet her candles are amazing. So if you try any of her products, let me know down in the comments how you like them. So thank you so much, Andrea, for sending me your products. They're so lovely. Sorry it took me like a month to finally film this, but as you can tell, I've been really enjoying your products. So I really got to experience the full potential of your products since I used them for like over a month before I filmed this review. So Andrea, I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, that's it. Let's move on to my Patreon shoutouts, because if you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. Over there, I do 2 exclusive videos a month. I cannot talk today. I have a blog that goes right along with my YouTube channel. So when I do recipe, you know what, I can't talk. I got my Invisalign taken out, and now I have a permanent retainer, so I'm still getting used to talking with that, so sorry. Anyways, I also have a blog that goes right along with recipes that I do here on my channel, so if you want more like in-depth details on the recipes, or alternative ingredients, or just more in-depth reasons as to why I'm using each of the ingredients I'm using in the recipe, then go check out my Patreon and subscribe to the blog tier, because you'll find that really beneficial. And I just do all kinds of extra content over there. So if you want more of me, go check out my Patreon. You can always unsubscribe if you're not getting what you signed up for. So let's do the Patreon shoutouts. So the first shoutout goes out to Essence of Nature over on Etsy. Then we have Stardust Bath and Body. As of right now, her website's not live, but go over there, type in your email, and get notified when it goes live. Then there's Nature's Farm Girl, who sells all kinds of natural soaps. Kennedy's Essentials, who sells natural hair care products. Let's Blend at letsblend.bigcartel.com. Created with Love, owned by Reese Porter. Trina's Jewelry Box, she is over on Etsy. And last but not least is Wildflower, and you can go check her out at wildflowerwildflower.com. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do sell products myself over on Etsy. I have all kinds of different natural skincare products. Go check it out if you want. Link down below, link up here. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm frozen. I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.